Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Bitsgap, the grid trading bot. I've been using it for a very long time with huge success. Profits ticking away, doing weekly withdrawals. I really can't complain with Bitsgap. I'm using it on a mid to long term strategy and it's working very, very well. So, what is Bitsgap? Bitsgap is an all in one trading automation platform for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Best crypto trading bots, smart algorithmic orders, portfolio and demo trading. Everything you need to easily manage your assets with one interface. Now, the biggest benefit with the Bitsgap grid trading bot, you don't put any funds onto Bitsgap. All the funds stays in your own exchange, and they have a unique range of exchanges you can use. Binance, Qcoin, OKX, Bybit, Kraken, FTX, Bitfinex, Huobi, Coinbase Pro, and a lot more to name. The biggest exchanges is compatible with Bitsgap, and that makes a huge difference because the bigger the exchange, the more volume you have through the market, and the more it moves. That benefits the grid trading option. They also have a unique option of you have a 7-day free trial. Now, if you haven't signed up to Bitsgap yet, the link will be down in the description. If you don't want to trade with your crypto or fiat, still sign up and use the demo account. Test it and get your own strategy in place until you feel comfortable using the grid trading bot. It's working for me, so I'm pretty sure it's going to work for you as well. Now let's look at two long-term strategies. Looking at Bitcoin against the US dollar. Now, the green grids means that's the US dollar or USDT, which is a stable coin, sitting ready to buy Bitcoin when the market falls. The green grids will be Bitcoin sitting at the profit range ready to sell back to USDT. Now, with the current market almost reaching $70,000 as an all time high, the first option I'll recommend is putting your upper price around all time high, which was around $70,000. The second option is putting your lower price down 50% from the current price. That means from all time high, we need to see a 50% drop before the market reaches down there. Now, if we clear the investment amount, we can see the minimum amount needed is $1,736, but this might be too much for most people. So all you need to do is decrease your amount of grids. We put the grids down to 50 grids. You can see $1,085. You put the grids down 25, you can get away with $542. This is a unique range, small bit of money, and it gives you the opportunity to make profits over the long term. The market might drop beneath $35,000. You'll have a lot of Bitcoin and asset. The market might shoot up beyond $70,000 and you'll sit with fiat, but more than you had when you started. If you don't immediately want to start with Bitcoin as well, you can just bring your upper price down to your current market price and you can put your range wide yet again. You can put it down $20,000 or even lower. Now, if you put it on 100 grids, you can do a maximum of 180 grids. You'll need $2,400 to get this going. You decrease your grids and make it 25 grids, you can get away with a $600 value. And this is a wide range which gives you the opportunity to trade in. If you do decide to go with this strategy, I'll recommend activating your trailing up. If the market doesn't dip immediately, it will follow it. And the moment it starts dipping, it will start buying Bitcoin. And it will give you the opportunity, get in the market and let the bot increase your fiat value or your stablecoin value. Now, the second one we can looking at is to increase your crypto. This one will use Ethereum, which is the second market cap rank coin, against Bitcoin. Gold and silver against each other. Now, looking at this chart, just waiting for it to switch over. There we go. The green lines will be Bitcoin sitting as buy orders to buy Ethereum. And your red lines will be Ethereum sitting in a profit range to sell back to Bitcoin. So every time the market goes up and down, it will buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum. If it goes down, it's buying Ethereum. And when it goes up, it's selling Ethereum to profit. Doing this, you can increase your Bitcoin value. Now, a strategy I recommend, since Ethereum is at an all-time high against Bitcoin, what I'll recommend is using a range of 5% up, because we don't know how far it will keep on going from the current market price. We'll do 5% upwards. We'll put our high price around the 5%. And we'll do around about a 50% drop. Now I'm doing a massive drop, keep us in the market. Putting in a 50% drop. I'll trade Bitcoin and Ethereum for the long term this way. Now, yet again, you got the opportunity to decide how much you want to spend. If you put in 125 grids, you'll need 0.025 BTC for this setup. If you decrease your amount of grids, 75 grids, you'll need 0.015 BTC for this. If you decrease it again, you'll need 0.005 BTC for this setup. Now 0.005 is around $250 to get this setup going. Let me just make sure. Yes, about $250 to get this setup going. It's a wide range. The market can drop a lot, or you can trail it up. Small amount of money for a long-term investment. Now, each week, each month, when you do have time, if you do have additional funds in your available section, you can add it to your strategies and compound. By compounding these strategies, you can build a sustainable amount of money or crypto over a long period of time. These are two strategies for someone who doesn't have time. Plug and play. Put it in, let it run, and test it. It might not be a strategy for everyone out there, but it might be a strategy that works for you. Or it might be an idea which gives you a better idea. And please leave me your thoughts in the comments and let me know. I'm also learning every day. But Bitsgap has been brilliant for me, and I really can't complain due to the fact that my funds are safe first of all, and I'm still in control. I'm putting the grids, I'm deciding which ranges I want to trade. A lot of people put their ranges very close. I like to put my ranges wide apart due to the fact it keeps on giving me opportunity. We're all here to benefit. Enjoy it and have fun. And remember, hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll keep you posted on ideas, strategies, and what's working. These are things I've tested and it's been working for me for a very long time. I've been with Bitsgap for a lot of months already. I'm getting close to a year and it's still working. Have a look at it, enjoy it, and have fun. Enjoy your gains. Take care.